This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 56 Cloud Computing in 5G Era. The video begins by introducing the concept of a DC microgrid and its architecture, highlighting the integration of an AC-DC bus and the focus on energy management between the two. It delves into the control logic for generating the PWM pulses to switch the inverter, detailing the process of interfacing the DC microgrid with the AC grid, including DC bus voltage regulation and AC current reference generation. The video then describes the hardware test bed, which emulates a grid-tied DC microgrid with simulated PV, battery, and DC loads, connected to a programmable grid emulator through a bi-directional DC-AC inverter. It showcases the emulation of the DC microgrid using a power amplifier and OPALRT, where the master subsystem contains power sources and control algorithms, while the console subsystem has real-time varying variables. Moving on, the video focuses on implementing the control system in a DSP controller, guiding the audience through the process of configuring the DSP launchpad, ADC pins, and PWM pins for signal processing and modulation signal generation. The hardware demonstration test cases are highlighted, where the interfacing converter control system regulates the voltage across the interfacing inductor, connecting the AC grid and the DC microgrid. The video then observes the bidirectional power exchange between the AC and DC bus, where the DC bus voltage is maintained at 400 V despite varying power flows, with power flowing from the DC to AC grid or vice versa based on the load conditions. References and additional textbooks are mentioned for further study, and the applications of the presented material, such as grid integration of renewables and DC microgrids, are highlighted, emphasizing the key benefit of developing control systems for DC microgrids using low-cost DSP controllers. Finally, the video concludes by summarizing the key takeaways, including the integration of DC and AC microgrids, the importance of DC bus voltage regulation and current control algorithms, the use of low-cost DSP controllers for control system implementation, and the demonstration of bidirectional power flow between the AC grid and the DC microgrid using a hardware testbed. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.